Ano ba yan?
Guys, wala nang laman. Okay, everybody. 6:31 PM na ngayong gabi. At ang sinabi, magsisimula daw magluto ng beef broccoli at 6:30. Pero tingnan natin kung ano na nangyayari. Lutong bahay with nanay. Beef with broccoli. So, we need broccoli. Kasi naman, beef with broccoli ang topic. Ito ang beef natin. So, ginisa na siya. Sinice na siya into tiny little pieces. Kailangan ng garlic. Ano to? Paano to gawin tong sauce, nanay? Paano to gawin? Paano ginagawa ng sauce? Oh, YouTube. And just put whatever here. Anong tawag dun sa, ano? Ano tawag dun sa sauce? Beef with broccoli sauce. Okay. So, we will just call this secret sauce. You know? Kung kailangan, check nyo din yung internet kung paano gumawa ng sauce. It's cooking time! Okay. So, simula muna tayo dito sa garlic. Okay. The garlic is sizzling, y'all. Sizzling. Alright. And now the beef. Okay, pasayawin sila. Olive oil. Okay, the secret sauce is in. The broccoli. Tapos na siya? Oh. That was only 3 minutes. Okay. So, everybody, ganun lang kabilis gumawa ng beef and broccoli. 3 minutes of cooking time. Let's go. Kaya nyo din yan. There you go. With broccoli, guys. Oh. Guys, the beef with broccoli. Kain na. Guys, ubos na yung pagkain natin. Wala nang natira. Yeah, boy. Clean plate. Okay.
I want my buko server.
Time to clean the plate. At dapat maghugas din. Bye! See you in the next video!